Hey everybody, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TLC Roku TV. This one's a 32S331 model, 2021 model. It's a Roku TV. With your controller, go all the way down to settings. Then you want to go all the way down to system. Then from system, you want to go to advanced system settings. Factory reset everything. Then you want to insert the code that it gives you. In my case, it's 3127. Click OK and start factory reset. Once it's done, the TV will be ready to go. And if you're trying to sell it, just give it to the seller. They're going to have to go through the setup, hit the Wi-Fi, and it's all ready to go. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.